Oh, I wish I'd looked after my teeth and spotted the perils beneath. All the toffees I chewed and the sweet sticky food. Oh, I wish I'd looked after my teeth. I wish I'd been that much more willing when I had more tooth there than a filling. To pass up gobstoppers from respect to my choppers and to buy something else with my shilling.
If you think looking after your teeth is boring, think again. We're going to liven it up. We need to look after our teeth, so let's take a look at them. We have incisors.
We are incisors. We are thin and sharp and we cut food.
We have canines.
We are canines. We are sharp and pointy and we tear and rip food.
We have premolars.
We have premolars. We have uneven surfaces and we hold and crush food.
We have molars.
We are molars. We are wide and flat and we chew and grind food. Please look after us.
How do we do that?
Hey, you forgot about us.
Oh, sorry. Of course, you're the wisdom teeth. Not everyone gets wisdom teeth. Are you very clever?
Not really, but we can tell you how to take care of us all. Brush us properly at least twice a day. We really like that, eat a healthy, balanced diet, and we like water, and visit the dentist regularly. We really like that.
Okay. What don't you like?
We don't like too much sugar and we don't like it eaten frequently.
Why not?
Because the sugars in foods and drinks react with our bacteria in our mouths and create acids.
Oh, that sounds bad. What happens?
The acid attacks the enamel on the teeth. That's the really hard bit on the surface. Did you know the enamel is the hardest substance in your whole body?
See, your wisdom teeth are clever. I didn't know that. So what do the attacks do?
The acid attacks cause tooth decay.
But we can fix that, right? By brushing.
No. Regular brushing helps prevent tooth decay, but it won't fix it.
So what do we do then?
We have to visit the dentist and then we'll fill the hole in so it doesn't get any worse. Drill, please. Amalgam, please.
What's amalgam?
It's a substance I use to fill in, so I can use like filling sometimes too. Sander, please. When I think of the lollies I licked, and the licorice all sorts I picked, sherbet dabs, big and little, all that hard peanut brittle, my conscience gets horribly pricked. How I laughed at my mother's false teeth, as they foamed in the waters beneath. But now comes the reckoning, it's me they are beckoning, oh I wish I'd looked after my teeth.